What if your next home is right here in the Billionaires Row? Let me show you this stunning 2-bedroom here in Park McKinley West. Hi everyone, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld, and on this video we are featuring Park McKinley West, one of the most promising luxury development here in Fort Bonifacio. One of the biggest advantages of McKinley West is its prime location, located along Legrand Avenue, McKinley West, also known as the Billionaires Road, because it's right beside Forbes Park, Dasmariñas Village, and the Manila Polo Club. You're just minutes away from Makati, BGC, and Ortigas, around 15 minutes from Naiya, only 2 kilometers from St. Luke's BGC, near the new Senate and Supreme Court, and very close to the upcoming Metro Manila Subway or Loton Station. Plus, open na din ang The Shops, ang pinakamahabang bi-level mall here in Fort Bonifacio. So imagine, from your condo, literally you're just elevators away from everything. So hindi lang to perfect for home, but also a powerful investment. Now this is how 2-bedroom unit looks like, and this is 110 square meter. So this is your entrance, and in the future this is gonna be a digital lock set. So keycard access na lang siya and fingerprint. So very secure talaga. And on your right side, this is your kitchen. You have open layout and U-type na kitchen. And ang maganda, meron kang granite countertop. So, hanggang doon, granite, and hanggang dito. And for your faucet and sink, meron tayong retractable, and this is by Frank. And ang maganda, meron din tayong overhead cabinets and drawers. Yan. And on this side, meron tayong 4 burner cooktop, and then built-in microwave oven. Plus, meron din tayong range hood by Ariston. And then, overhead cabinets. And then on this side, provision for refrigerator. And then on this side naman is your maid's room. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, you can put a mini bed. And then, on this side, meron tayong provision for washer dryer. And then, you have a toilet and bathroom. And ang maganda, this unit is a smart home equipped. So, you have a video intercom wherein you can communicate sa mga guards and concierge sa baba. Now, this is your living and dining area. Ito yung dining. And then, you have split-type aircon included. This side is the living area. Plus, meron ka ding balcony. So this is the bedroom number 1. And meron ka ding balcony, and you have a modular closet plus split type aircon. Dito naman yung common toilet and bathroom. Now, let's check the master's bedroom. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, sobrang laki, sobrang luwag. So, this is a king-size bed. And you have a balcony din. Ganyan siya. And then you can put a vanity area dito. And you have a split type aircon included plus the modular cabinet. And then meron ding toilet and bathroom sa master's bedroom. And this condo will be ready in October 2026 and the total contract price is, and you can get this with no down payment ng naka-rent to own terms for 74,000 pesos per month ng 36 months plus a balloon payment of 2.5 million pesos every 10 months. Have available units from 1 bedroom up to 3 bedroom penthouse. And that's it for today. Hit like and subscribe kung nagustuhan niyo yung video. And comment down below if you have questions or suggestions. And again, this is Simon, your property specialist from Mega World.